Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products to enhance your daily life. Today, we're talking about the 2-pack bamboo sushi rolling mat, the best sushi wrapper for anyone who loves making sushi at home. Whether you're a sushi enthusiast or a beginner looking to try something new in the kitchen, this bamboo mat is exactly what you need to roll up perfect sushi every time. Crafted from high-quality, all-natural bamboo, these mats are designed to make sushi rolling easier than ever. The mat is lightweight and measures 9.5 inches by 9.5 inches, providing the perfect size for making rolls at home. What's more, it's made without any harmful chemicals or glues, ensuring a safe and eco-friendly experience while preparing your sushi. The design of the mat is simple yet effective. Each mat is woven with strong cotton string, ensuring durability and preventing unraveling. No more worrying about loose threads or splinters that can affect your sushi experience. The mats are crafted with fine workmanship, offering both reliability and longevity, making them a must-have tool for your sushi making needs. One of the best features of this sushi mat is its ease of use. Whether you're new to sushi making or an experienced chef, you'll appreciate how effortlessly it helps you roll sushi. The natural bamboo material ensures a sturdy structure while allowing flexibility, making it easier to roll up your sushi tightly and evenly. And when you're done, cleaning is a breeze. Just hand wash the mat with mild soap and water, and you're good to go for your next sushi making adventure. Whether you're preparing sushi for a special occasion or simply enjoying a delicious homemade meal, this bamboo sushi mat brings the traditional sushi experience right to your kitchen. The pack includes 2 mats, giving you the option to make multiple rolls at once or share with friends. This affordable yet high-quality set makes sushi making both fun and accessible for everyone. In summary, the 2-pack bamboo sushi rolling mat is truly the best sushi wrapper for anyone looking to perfect their sushi skills at home. With its natural bamboo construction, fine craftsmanship, and easy maintenance, this sushi mat will quickly become an essential part of your kitchen toolkit. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your sushi game. Grab yours today and roll up some delicious creations. Thanks for watching Product Critique. We'll see you in the next video.